How to create a Facebook page. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can create Facebook page. Now creating Facebook page is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is open a Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen here, and if you scroll down under all shortcuts you'll find the option pages. Tap on pages and you'll find your pages here. Simply tap on the create option that you can see below the pages option there. Simply tap on create here and you'll be able to create page. Simply tap on get started here. Now enter your page name. Enter any page name that you want to set as your page name. Then select the category here. You can search for any category from the search bar here and then tap on create and your page will be created. Once you tap on create, your page will be created, and once it's created it'll ask you to set it up. You can add profile pictures, general, bio, contacts and various other options. Just fill in these options and your Facebook page will be created. So this way you can create a Facebook page. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.